The 2025 Gold Detector, MD-2025, boasts an advanced DSP chip and a waterproof search coil, allowing it to detect metals up to 10 inches deep with high precision. An intuitive large LCD display with a powerful backlight makes it easy to read targets whether you are treasure hunting in daylight or at night. Designed with ergonomics in mind, this metal detector is lightweight at 2.26 pounds and features an adjustable stem, making it suitable for both children and adults. IP68 waterproofing of the search coil makes it perfect for use on the beach, by the river, or in rainy conditions, while its shockproof detection rod ensures stability on rough terrain. Assembly is a breeze, taking less than a minute without the need for additional tools, thanks to the sturdy spiral structure that enhances stability. The metal detector's professional service team is available around the clock to ensure that any issues are resolved swiftly and effectively.